But I'm glad they added this mob back into the game, because honestly, I wouldn't have nearly as much fun if it wasn't there. No, why me? I'm ramping. Help! It's very satisfying to be stunned randomly. Thank you, Blizzard. I'm hurting! My heart! Oh my god! I'm gonna have a stroke.